strange. Where do those come from?
No instincts, huh? How do you explain this?
Well, this is embarrassing.
Surly's trapped. Come on.
Pull! We're all gonna die! More specifically, you're gonna die.
Way to keep it positive.
Get me out of here!
Pull!
It won't open! It won't open! Mr. Mayor, you have called the right man for the job. You'll be back to building your amusement park in no time. Let me demonstrate. The little squirrel having a nice day. He sees a nut. Hello there, nut. Cage closes. We drive into the forest, let him go. Good as new.
I see. And this won't hurt the animals?
Oh, no, Mr. Mayor. Humane traps only. Nobody's hurt. Everybody's happy.
But may I? Of course. I don't want humane. I want painful, gruesome termination.
Mr. Mayor, that is a horrible and twisted way to deal with the animals.
Daddy, I can help. I'm good at shooting cute little defenseless creatures.
Oh, sweetheart. Daddy is so proud of you.
Oh, look. We got one.
Go get him, Frankie! Go, Frankie, go!
On 3. Everyone, pull together. 1, 2, 3! You okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed.
You had me worried there for a second. Wait, what's that sound?
That's probably the little paranoid voice in your head screaming at the top of its lungs again.
I'm serious.
You certainly are.
You know, you're not as funny as you think you are. Dog! Run!
Precious!
Frankie's got a girlfriend. Daddy, I got a new dog. My little prince met a princess.
Charlie!
Precious! I'm coming for you, Precious. Hang in there.
Come on, boys! Tonight we dine on squirrel!
Over the guys in a...
Slow down. What are you saying?
We're all gonna die!
Oh, no.
Huh?
Everybody scatter!
No one's getting scrambled on my watch.
Oh, thank you.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Everybody out! We gotta go! Leave it! There's no time! Guys, wait up!
Get back here, you chopping little bee!
Come on, tiny legs! Go faster!
It's so much fun! Woo! What? Ow! My fingers!
And stay out.
You gonna pay for this. Fire in the hole.
That's not good. Huh?
I'd say we got him.
Smile.
You completely destroyed this park. And I must say, I am a fan of your work. All right, you layabouts, get moving.
Buckle up, sweetheart. You know Daddy's got a lead foot.